Gemini, what's popping? Sun is playing for you as best friend. So you may be in a situation that involves your best friend. You may be dealing with a best friend type situation. You may feel like something, you are close to something. It's like you may feel like you were friends before anything type shit you feels. Or you just may be asking a best friend for help right now. You manifesting. What you manifesting, Gemini? You may be dealing with or may have dealt with a Sagittarius. And it's like if so, you walked away from a Sagittarius. And because somebody walked away from a Sagittarius and the Sagittarius want that person back. Or they walked away from... Alright. The Sagittarius walked away from something in order to go to something new, only to later want to walk back to what they walked away from. You may have walked away from a Sagittarius because Sagittarius the song Best Friend started on Sagittarius and ended on Gemini. You feel me? So you may have ended a situation with the Sagittarius. And Sagittarius also had this card, but in reverse. You feel me? Now, the first card for you, I ain't even gonna do that because of that whole spill. Let me shuffle again. I ain't even gonna do that. Well, I'm gonna go like this. What song is this? We Paid. You may feel abundant in some way, shape, or form regarding an investment, an idea, or a person, place, or thing. You may feel like something is abundant or you are paid regarding something. You feel me? You may feel like something's turning out in your favor or going in your favor regarding a person, place, thing, idea, thought, or habit. You invested in, you planted a seed that was worth planting type shit. One more. Hold up. Damn, we 2 minutes in already. Yo, y'all can't just be throwing this. Okay, look, Gemini, you got out your head regarding something. The way that shit fell out, I wish y'all saw that. But you out of your head regarding something. Something used to keep you up at night. Something used to stress you out. Whether it was communication regarding people bringing opinions, ideas to you, and it was like putting you on overload. And you were stressing about your future, or it was just like you were overthinking something. But now you got out of your head regarding something. You're not overthinking no more. It's like you can see, you could see clear through the fog. Now you getting paid. Now it's like, now that you done sorted some shit, look, you getting paid. Now that you sorted some shit out mentally, now look, yo, you work some shit out. You feel me? People, you may still be in some sort of conflict though, all right? Or somebody outside of you is trying to bring conflict towards you regarding the truth you done came to. Some truth brought you out your head, right? Now that truth may not be the truth everybody around you like. You feel me? So yeah, it's your truth, but it's not their truth. Since it's not their truth, now they want to bring some bullshit to you. But Gemini said, we not taking that round these parts. Gemini said, nah, we paid. We focusing on the bag. Said what Gemini's, look, we paid. You in a balanced state mentally and or third dimensionally. You got enough mentalities, thoughts, and ideas to share with others and yourself, or you got enough money to spread and make the world go around. You feel me? Look, because of what? Some enlightenment. Whether it's an idea. Look, something brought you out your head, I'm telling you. You got an idea, and you started that business because you was stressing about your future. You knew you ain't want to work for nobody, but you ain't know what business endeavors you wanted to participate in. But you out your head because you found your dream job type shit. You found something you feel that's worth going, and look how you gliding through that motherfucker. Life goes on. These motherfuckers outside of you fighting, but you ain't your problem. Last card for Gemini. No. Come on, Gems. Hey, look, you put a burden down. What I told you. You ain't worry about it because of some emotion. Look, you got the Ace of Coins and the Ace of Cups. You got an idea that made you. It's like if you ain't get an idea, you got some enlightenment. You gained something, and that shit lit you. It's like a snapper on a dime. You got out your head regarding something. You just like you almost knew what you had to do as soon as this information, perspective, enlightenment, idea, person, place, thing came to you and brought you something. Soon as that happened, you put down the burdens, you got out your head, and then motherfuckers outside of you fighting now. And it's like people, it was no friction when you were stressing. When you were stressing, nobody was worried about what the fuck you had going on. Everybody was Keno nifty when you was stressing. Ain't no conflict. It's like when you kept your mouth closed and when you was up at night, you couldn't sleep. Motherfuckers, it was peaceful. You feel me? You could hear the birds chirping. But now that you out your head regarding something, now that you could see clearly, now that you put the burdens down, now it's some problems. Now motherfuckers got now they want to throw some passions at you. Now they want to throw some wands. Look, you probably ended some shit. Some shit you invested in for a while. Cause what? Some truth was brought to you. It's like whatever you were invested in, it was 9 of coins. You was 1 coin away from the 10. It's like a family. If we could say a family. Look, I said a family type situation. You ended something you thought was worth the investment. You thought this would be celebration in your future or in your present. You thought this job was worth investing in, and people were all for it. And once you took the business or once you started the job, all the stress was on you. You couldn't sleep. You feel me? But everybody else was cool because it was on your back. You were carrying the load. Nobody else was. And you could see these motherfuckers was cool. And because of that, everything was taken care of, though. You feel me? Life was good regarding everyone involved in the situation because you were stressing yourself out. And you said, I'm tired. We not doing that no more, said Gemini. I'm cool. You know what? Fuck all that shit. It's like you invested in something, but you like, fuck it, yo. And the people around you may not like that, or if this is a habit you trying to kick, it ain't easy. But you know you gotta kick something. It's like a habit you've been doing for a long time if it's a habit. Life goes on. Yeah, so it's like you ain't here for the bullshit no more. I'm gonna fuck with you, Jonas.